Hi, I'm Katherine Larson, Curator of Ancient Glass here at the Corning Museum of Glass. I'm also an archaeologist and the curator of the special exhibition, Dig Deeper, Discovering an Ancient Glass Workshop. Dig Deeper is an exhibition about the way archaeologists work with scientists and glass artists to understand ancient glass. I hope you'll have the chance to see it during your visit. As I was working on the exhibition, I really wanted to share that process of discovery with our hot glass team and with you, our visitors. So, I asked the hot glass team to build a wood-fired furnace similar to the ones that would have been used in the ancient world. And they said yes. Fortunately, we didn't have to start entirely from scratch, and we were able to talk to colleagues and friends who had built similar furnaces and learn from their successes and failures. We discovered that our greatest challenges, things like making the daub material, a mix of straw and refired ceramic to build the furnace, that was hard for us because we'd never done it before. But it would have been really simple in the ancient world since it was such a common building material. No one was more surprised than us when the furnace worked beautifully, as it was designed. We were able to melt and blow glass after just a few hours of bringing up the temperature. Even an untrained person like me was able to keep the furnace stoked to temperatures above 2,000 degrees Fahrenheit. Our gaffers will often say that glassblowing process is largely unchanged from 2,000 years ago, when glassblowing first started in the ancient Roman world. And that's true. But the wood-fired furnace project helped us all realize that what happens at the end of the blowpipe is only a small part of the story.